Hello everyone, I'm Femi. Today I'll still be talking about polygons. In the last class, I told you different types of polygons, and I said the first polygon is triangle and it's having three sides. The second one, the next one, which is collateral, is having four sides, and pentagon is having five sides, up to decagon that is having 10 sides. The very thing that's very important about this is knowing all these names and all these sides. For instance, if I ask you how many sides as a pentagon, you should be able to tell me the pentagon has five sides. Um, I also talked about some of interior angles of all these polygons. I said you can use this formula to calculate all the angles inside any polygon. I said this n represents the number of sides. This formula can help you to calculate total angles inside any polygon. Now today I'll be talking about another topic, which is calculation of each interior angle of a regular polygon. Calculation of each interior angle of a regular polygon. Regular in this topic means a polygon in which all the sides are equal and all the angles are the same. All the sides are the same and all the angles are the same. So look at the first example, which is calculate each interior angle of a regular hexagon. Calculate each interior angle of a regular hexagon. The first thing you need to do is to know the number of sides of this polygon. Hexagon has 6 sides, so my n is equals to 6. I've told you 100% number of sides. So the next thing I need to do now is to get the total angle, the total of all the angles inside the polygon. By using this formula will help you to get all the total angles, n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So what is my n? My n is equals to 6. 6 minus 2, can you see it, times 180 degrees. 6 minus 2 is 4 times 180 degrees, and this will give me 720 degrees. So all the total angles inside this polygon hexagon is equals to 720 degrees. Now to find each angle will now be equals to, just take the total, which is 720 degrees, and divide it by the number of sides. I told you the number of sides in the hexagon is 6, and also the number of angles in the hexagon is also 6. Divide by number of sides or number of angles, and that is 6. And this will give you 6 here, 1, 6 in 7, 1, it remains 1. So you are having 12 here. 6 in 12, you have 2. 6 in 0, 0. So 6 in 720 is 120 degrees. Now, this is each angle inside the hexagon. And let me just show you what has happened. The hexagon, look at the sketch. Hexagon is like this. Hexagon is like this. Let me just look at this sketch. Now it has 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is, each of them, this angle here is going to be 120, here 120, here 120, 120 here, 120 here, and 120 here. What it's saying is this: if by the time you add all of them together, it will give you 720. So we are only calculate just a single angle, which is 120 degrees. Let's go to the second example, which is find each angle of the above diagram. If you look at this diagram very well, is you know it by counting the number of sides. Let's count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is pentagon, because pentagon has 5 sides. So you need to write the number of sides equals to 5. Now to find each of the angle of the above diagram, I need to know the total by using this formula: n minus 2 times 180 degrees and my n is 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees. 5 minus 2 will give me 3 times 180 degree, which is, and this is equals to 540 degrees. So to find each of the angle, which is the question, each angle will now be equals to 540 divided by the number of sides or number of angles, which is just the number of sides is just 5 for this diagram. So 5 in 54 will give you 10, and you have 4 left. You can put it here beside that 0. So you are going to have 40 there by the time you put the 4 there. So 5 in 40 will give you 8. So you can see that 5 in 540 is 108 degrees. So that is each of them is now 108. You can see each, this one 108, this 108, this 108 degrees, 180 degrees, 180 degrees. So that is how to calculate each interior angle of any regular polygon. Now, with these examples, you should be able to try these questions. So, see you in the next class.